Hi everyone, in this video, we will show you how to fix no service SIM card on iPhone. First of all, open the settings of your iPhone. Then, click on General. Scroll down and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset, and then from here, you can reset all of your settings. Now go back and scroll up and click on About. From here, you can check all the information about your iPhone. Go back and click on Software Update. If any update is available, click on Download and Install. That's how you can fix a no-service SIM card on an iPhone. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.